Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time visiting this channel, click on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you will get notified as soon as possible. So as usual, this is volume 3 of the daily Forex update. Alright, yeah, so I brought you an update yesterday and I'm bringing an update today too. Alright, yeah, so for educational purposes, if you still want to have a look at yesterday's updates, check at the top right corner of your screen. It's popping up there. Just click on it and have a feel of it. All right, yes, you can just watch it and then compare to see what I was expecting and what happened. All right, the following day. All right, yeah, so today happens to be the volume 3 of the Forex daily update. So if you haven't subscribed, do well to click on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell. All right, because I will be bringing you the updates every day, all right, throughout the whole week. So every day I bring it to you so that once you're subscribed, once I drop it, you get the notification so that you go watch it as soon as possible. Yeah, so before we begin, let's go into the economic calendar to see what news that is for us. So far as tomorrow being Thursday is concerned, so for tomorrow Thursday we only have the USD producer price index year over year for the month of June. High impact news. All right, aside that, there is no high impact news again. Yes, this is a bank holiday for I think France. Yeah, we are not going to see any impact on the market. It's not really going to affect the market in any way. All right, yeah, so the only high impact news on Thursday is the producer price index year over year for the month of June. So just take note of that. Let's go into the chart to see what is happening. We start with the dollar index. So I made you aware, all right, that I'm expecting price to move to the downside in my previous update, and look at what happened beautifully. All right, I was expecting price to take out this low, and as the price has done, I mean exactly that. All right, today was crazy. All right, yes, that is today's price action was very crazy. I mean, things were really on point. All right, it really rained a lot of pips in my VIP group. Yes, that is my swing trading group. So if you want to be part of it, check the description box below. My Telegram ID is there. Just click on it and then let's have a conversation so that you sign up into it, because I mean I drop a lot of pips inside that very particular group. All right, yes, so just take note of that. So that is that for the dollar index. I mean, price has have taken out this low finally. All right, price have finally taken out this low, and I'm still looking for you to see price continue to shift to the downside. All right, I'm still looking forward to see price continue to shift. But let's quickly move to the weekly and see what is happening in the weekly. Yes, I'm still looking forward to see price. Yes, so currently this is where I'm expecting price to move to. All right, yes, this is where I'm expecting price to move into. All right, yes, so going into tomorrow is Thursday. All right, and I wouldn't be surprised if we see a short-term reversal. That is during the New York session. I wouldn't be surprised at all if we see a short-term reversal into this very zone. This zone here. All right, yes, I wouldn't be surprised at all. And then we have a volume imbalance here. So tomorrow being Thursday, I wouldn't be surprised at all if we see a short-term reversal before they drop. All right, yes, so I wouldn't be surprised at all if tomorrow happens to be a reversal day. Tomorrow being Thursday and Friday, if it doesn't happen tomorrow, or if you should see price continue to push the downside so far as tomorrow is concerned on the dollar index, then definitely on Friday we might see a reversal making up for the low of the week. Then the following week we see price continuing to move to the downside. So that is just that for the dollar index. There is not much to see at the moment. All right, because I mean, what I'm expecting to see, it has happened. I was expecting price to take out this low, and price has done exactly that. So at this point, I just have to fold my arms and see what price is likely to do next. All right, at this point, I have no idea what price is likely to do for now. But we've taken out major lows. We've taken out this low, which is a sell side liquidity. We've taken out this low, and this low was April's low. This low was formed during April, 14th of April, and we've taken out that low, which is a major low. So at this point, I just have to fold my arms to see what price is likely to do. You might see price retracing back into this zone, and I'll be expecting price to reverse from that point, and then you see price continuing to the downside. Yeah, so that is my expectation so far as the dollar index is concerned. Let's look at what is happening on GBPUSD. For GBPUSD, I mean, I missed this. All right, yes, I missed it. Look at how price traded, went below the midnight opening price, and then during the New York session, saw price gyrating to the upside, which was around, let me see, which was around 80 pips, 89 pips, something like that. All right, yeah, so that is just that for GBPUSD. And as it stands now, I told you earlier on, that was yesterday, that I'm waiting for a down day. All right, I'm waiting for a down day. GBPUSD has taken out a major high on the daily time frame, and once a high has been taken out, what I'm expecting, or what should form next, if price will continue to push the down to the upside, is a higher swing low. That is what I'm expecting to see. All right, either a down day or a higher swing low. All right, yeah, so I'm waiting for the down day to form, and then I'll look for it to buy within that down day, or the higher swing low forms, then I take it from there. So as it stands now on GBPUSD, I'm still quiet on this market. I'm not doing anything yet. I'm still very, very quiet on this market, because if what I'm expecting to see hasn't happened, I mean, there is no point for me to be in the trade. It doesn't make sense to me. All right, here, so for GBPUSD, I'm still quiet until I see what I'm expecting to see. Then I mean, between myself and GBPUSD, we have no business. Yes, we have no business until I see what I'm expecting to see. Yeah, so that is just that for GBPUSD. Let's look at what is happening on USDCAD. For USDCAD yesterday, I gave you a tip off. Yes, I gave you a tip off yesterday on USDCAD. And those of you that noticed it and took advantage today. All right, so I mean, if you didn't see it, well, that is your own issue. But I really gave you a tip off. That is why I always tell my community members not to miss my daily market update. All right, even with my weekly market update, because I mean, I drop a lot of free tips that most people don't even pay attention to. All right, yeah, so for USDCAD, I was expecting price to what I told you, I was expecting price to drop. All right, it traced a little bit to the upside, and then it dropped. All right, so look at the time it dropped during the New York session. So as it stands now, let's switch to the higher time frame to see what is happening on the higher time frame. Yes, as it stands now, a major low has been broken. All right, a major low has been broken, and so I'll expect to see price retrace back into this zone here to make up for a lower swing high. Then we see a continuation to the downside. So I'm still bearish. All right, I'm still bearish on USDCAD. So that is just that. All right, yeah, so going into tomorrow, I'll see what will happen, because most of the times the market tends to reverse either Thursday New York session or on Friday, because I mean, throughout the whole week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we've had bearish movement on the market, and so I wouldn't be surprised at all. So if you intend to trade tomorrow, just reduce your risk. All right, reduce your risk, because anything at all can happen. All right, yes, anything at all can happen, because Thursdays and Fridays are reversal days within the week. If it doesn't happen on Thursday New York session, definitely we see it on Friday. All right, yeah, so just take note of that. So that is just that for USDCAD. Let's look at what is happening on GBPJPY. Yeah, so for GBPJPY, I mean, it's clear. All right, it's so clear here. We've taken out a major low right here. All right, we've taken out this swing low too as well. So as it stands now, I'm still bearish on GBPJPY. So as it stands now, what I would expect to see is, once a swing low has been broken, the next thing I want to see is a higher swing, a lower swing high formation. All right, then we see a drop, and that is what I'm expecting to see on GBPJPY. All right, that is what I'm expecting to see. So the week is almost ending, so I'm not really expecting that much from the market. Yes, the week is almost ending. Thursday, Friday, then you've ended the week. So I'm not really expecting that much from the market. But let's see what happens going into tomorrow. All right, I'll be looking for sales on GBPJPY so far as tomorrow is concerned. Yeah, so that is just that for the daily market update. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you will get notified as soon as possible. By subscribing to, and then liking the videos I bring you every day, it also gives the algorithm the opportunity to recommend this video to other people that haven't discovered it yet. Yeah, so I know you are really taking a lot out of this channel. All right, I know you are really getting massive value out of this channel, so kindly let me see your likes, let me see your comments. All right, if you're not part of my Telegram community, just click on the link or check the link in the description box below, click on it and be part of the Clever Young Traders Telegram community. All right, my swing trading room is still open. I will close it very soon. Yes, I'll close it very soon because once this quarter is over, we are zooming into the last quarter, and it's going to be very brutal in the swing trading room. Yes, the last quarter, every last quarter of the year is really good for me. That is when I really get a lot from the market. All right, and that is going to go into my swing trading room. So if you want to be part of it, don't miss it. Just DM me. I'll give you the packages. You select the ones that will be comfortable for you. You sign up on a package, and then we are good to go. All right, yeah. So that is just that. I'll come your way again another time. Peace.